Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Daisy. Today, I'm bringing you a video I've been so excited to film because this machine has truly changed the way I create. In this video, we're doing a full unboxing and a real-life test of the LIENE PixCut S1, a machine that prints and cuts in one single step, with no complications and no need to use two separate machines like a printer and a cutting machine. I'll be testing it by printing high-resolution photos, creating wedding invitations, stickers to decorate the invitation envelopes, and also custom stickers for my branded packaging. What I love the most is how easy the entire process is. Design, print, and cut using one machine and directly from my phone. No transferring files, no switching devices. Everything is super intuitive. So if you love creating, personalizing, or you're thinking about starting a creative business, stay until the end because this machine might be exactly what you've been looking for. This is the LIENE PixCut S1, a compact yet powerful machine that prints and cuts in one single step. It's designed to create stickers, photos, and personalized projects with high resolution quality, all using one machine in a single and seamless way. The best part is that I can control everything directly from the app on my phone, with no complications and no need for additional equipment. Look how beautiful this machine is. Now that we've unboxed it, I'm going to insert the ink cartridge and load the printing paper. First, I'll be printing some photos and wedding invitations. And finally, we'll print and cut some stickers so you can see everything this machine is capable of. We install the cartridge right here. It's super easy. Next, we pull out the paper tray. Now, I'm loading the photo paper because I'll be printing photos and wedding invitations. This photo paper and the sticker paper came included with the machine. We load the paper with the glossy side facing up and then place the tray back into the bottom of the printer. We connect the machine and then we move to our phone to download the app. We scan the QR code that comes in the instruction manual and proceed to download the application. We select our language and create an account, either with email, Facebook, or Apple ID. I'm going to create mine using my email. Next, we add the printer. Make sure the machine is turned on. Then we connect the machine to our phone via Bluetooth. And just like that, it's connected to the app. Here we have access to many templates that come with the program, but we can also upload and use our own designs. We have the option to print and cut or print only. For now, I'm going to select print only because I'll be printing photos for wedding invitations. We also have the option to adjust the photo colors, which I absolutely love. We can control the brightness, temperature, and overall print quality. Once everything looks good, we tap the confirm arrow, press print, and head back to the machine to start printing. The machine has already started printing. I sped this part up to 200%, so the video wouldn't be too long, but in real time, it prints very fast. And here we have our first print. I am honestly impressed. The quality is excellent. In the same way, we can print photos, invitations, cards, and more. Now I'm going to load the sticker paper to create some stickers. I'll be printing stickers for my packaging and also stickers to personalized wedding invitation envelopes. All of this is incredibly easy with this machine. We can create many more projects in less time because if we were doing this with a regular printer and then a cutting machine, it would take much longer and the cuts wouldn't always align properly. Instead of selecting photo, we choose print and cut. Then we select or upload the image we want to use for the sticker. If your image doesn't have a transparent background, don't worry, you can remove it directly within the app. Next, we adjust the size and place as many stickers as we want on the canvas. Since these stickers are for my packaging, I print them in multiple sizes to make the most of the sheet. I even print very small ones that are perfect for sealing envelopes or small boxes. Once everything is arranged, we press print and head back to the machine. It printed very quickly and now it's cutting. That's how easy it is. I promise this machine will save you so much time. And here they are. Let's see how they turned out. Here is one of the stickers. So beautiful. I really love it. Perfectly aligned and super easy to remove from the film. These are the stickers I use for my packaging and they turn out amazing. I will show you an example of how I use them. I use these stickers on all my shipments. With this machine, it will also be much easier for me to create invitations of all kinds and stickers to decorate invitation envelopes. Overall, I can create all kinds of stickers for party favors, invitations, packaging, and so much more. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, review, and tutorial of the LIENE PixCut S1, a machine that allows you to print and cut at the same time. What I love the most is how easy the entire process is. Design, print, and cut all directly from my phone. If you would like to learn more about this amazing machine, I'll leave the link down below in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.